Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over what to do when the Tesla map is not loading or working, as you can see right here. Now basically if it's acting up, just try a simple system restart. So you just hold down both the scroll wheels on your steering wheel for about 10 to 20 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo basically reappears. This often resolves minor glitches, and just also make sure that your car's software is actually up to date by checking for updates under controls. And then click on software on your touchscreen, especially when you're connected to Wi Fi. Okay, make sure you have good connectivity on your Tesla, and just make sure you check your signal strength. Okay, and if that is all perfectly fine, then you should not have any issues. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.